Hello, welcome everyone. In this question it says 0.5 kilogram football thrown with the velocity 15 meter per second to the right. This is important. Stationary receiver catch the ball and bring it to rest 0.020 second, and it says bring it to rest, so final velocity gonna be 0. What is the force exerted on a receiver? So we have to use momentum impulse theorem. F times delta t equal delta p. So it's asking what is the force. So force equal delta p over delta t. Delta p means m times v final minus m times v initial over delta t. So force equal final velocity of the object is 0. So it will be 0 minus m mass of the object is 0.5 times velocity of the object 15 to the right, so it is positive, it will be 15 over time is given 0.020. So this result will be 3.8 times 10 to 2 Newton, but result will be negative because this formula F gives us always reaction force, but here it's asking what is the force exerted on a receiver. So force on a receiver, it will be positive 3.8 times 10 to 2 Newton because it's always opposite each other. Thanks for listening.